Hi guys, how are you doing? A long time. It's been a while, it's actually been quite a while. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. And if that is your area of interest, please consider hitting the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So guys, by the way, I've been MIA for quite a while. How many weeks has it been? Two or three I think, because I'm actually shooting this video on Wednesday. I was supposed to post it today, but unfortunately some things didn't add up, so I was unable to post it. But anyway guys, I'm back and I'm back in full swing, and I have loads and loads of content that will be coming your way. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I decided to take a little bit of some time off from content creation because I realized that I was things that I was doing were not adding up. So I just needed a little time for myself. Yeah, that's the reason as to why I was quite MIA for those 2 weeks. But right now I'm back, and let's begin from where we left. So today what I'll be doing is, if you've watched my recent videos, you will notice that my kitchen is quite a mess. Yeah, the kitchen cabinet, the doors are they're not in a good state. So that's actually the project that I'm planning to do. This video is actually based on that project, on how just a little kitchen makeover that I did to the kitchen, and it turned out quite well, quite nice actually. And I'll be sharing with you the whole process and how it all went on. Another thing, I've been battling with myself actually about the day that I'm supposed to post. Because I've been I used to post on I've been posting on Wednesdays, but I've actually been battling with that. I feel like I need to change the day that I'm supposed to post. Because on Wednesday it's actually normally messes me up. So what I intend to do, I'm supposed to choose between Wednesday and Friday. So between the 2 days I'll choose one day that I'll be posting, and most probably not Wednesday, because Wednesday I'm that kind of a person who I normally edit on Tuesdays. To an extent, sometimes I sleep late at night, even at 4 o'clock on Tuesdays, which is not good. So that's the reason as to why I want to change my posting days to some other day that at least will give me flexible time to some other things. And guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. This year I'm quite intentional about growing that account. I've never been intentional about it, but this year I want to try and grow it. So if you haven't followed me, kindly do so. I will leave the link to my account in the description box. Please do so. So guys, this is how our kitchen cabinets look like. They're not pleasing at all. They're not appealing to the eye, and they're making this kitchen look old and bad. I mean, the kitchen looks so bad. Yeah, I was actually with the idea of changing the doors, but again, you know, this is a rented house and you're not planning to live here forever, and that will be quite expensive, right? Yeah, so I decided to just come up with an idea that will solve the problem for a temporary period of time, at least something that will make the place look much better. Another thing that has really been bothering me is the countertop. If you can remember, I placed this contact paper a while ago, and look, it has worn out. And as compared to the first one, this has worn out quite fast, and I actually don't know the reason. Maybe it could be because of quality, and another thing, maybe because mainly it's the part that's close to the sink, so it could be water too. But other than water, it's quality. Because compared to the first one that was initially here, this has worn out quite fast. And so yeah, this is okay. The work is halfway done, and as you can see, everything is turning out quite well. I actually like the progress. I can't even recognize these cabinets. I mean, can you spot the difference? The guy who is working here will have to come back tomorrow. So right now what I'll do is I just have to cook supper, then I doubt if anything will be done in this kitchen today. So it's quite messy, yes, but just have to work with it the way it is. So tomorrow the work continues. the final look of my kitchen. I am so in love with it. I love the way it turned out. I decided to remove the marble countertop, the marble contact paper, and just put this plain contact paper because I wanted to go with the block one. And I find that the block one has turned out quite nice. Another thing that I decided to do is I decided to place this contact paper here. It's just in this small section, just the size of the cooker, so that whenever I cook and the food splashes, at least it's easier to wipe than when it does so on the wall. I also decided to change this tabletop, as you can see. If you remember, this knife set used to be on the other side of the counter, but I decided to bring it here because it looks much better here than the other side. And guys, finally I decided to get rid of the blue dish rack. I love the one that is currently here. I've been meaning to change the dish rack for a very long time, but at least the time has come that I've now decided to completely get rid of it. And this black one has turned out quite nice. It actually suits this space. It's the exact size that I wanted, and it fits this place perfectly, as you can see. And another thing is this. It's a soap dispenser pump, and I decided to go with this rather than the one on a bottle because this space is quite small. As you can see, it is very small, and so I wanted something that could fit the space and still looks cute. So that's the reason as to why. So guys, that's it for me today, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to share. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also please follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link to my account in the description box. See you in the next one.